Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wheel paint on Amazon. If you are giving your vehicle a new look, don't just stick to the bodywork, the wheels deserve some care, too. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Dupe Color Black High Performance Wheel Paint. This paint produces a reflective finish that resists cracking, flaking, and peeling. It repels brake dust and chemicals and restores your wheel to its original appearance. The paint dries to the touch within 30 minutes and can be touched within 1 hour. The paint is easy to use, coats evenly, and doesn't run if you take time applying it. It also dries quickly and smoothly without streaking, so long as you don't make the coats too thick. Overall, the paint looks great and holds up well. It covers cracks, doesn't chip, and can make a set of corroded wheels look like new again. Depending on surrounding conditions, the paint can take a long time to cure or dry soft to the touch. As a result, it may come off too easily if you scratch it with your nail. The paint may also splatter or sputter out of the nozzle, requiring you to cover everything you don't want to paint. In addition, it may not provide an even or consistent color. Number 2. Krylon Color Max Spray Paint. One of the standout features of the Krylon Color Max Spray Paint and Primer is its excellent coverage. With just 1 or 2 coats, it can easily cover a variety of surfaces, including wood, metal, and plastic. This is due in part to the paint's high-quality pigments, which provide rich, even color with minimal effort. Another important factor to consider when selecting a spray paint is its durability. The Krylon Color Max Spray Paint and Primer has a durable finish that resists chipping, fading, and peeling, making it a great choice for both indoor and outdoor use. The paint is also water-resistant, so it can withstand rain and other forms of moisture without losing its luster. The Krylon Color Max Spray Paint and Primer is easy to use, even for beginners. The spray nozzle is designed to provide a consistent spray pattern, so you can achieve a smooth, even finish with minimal effort. The can also features an ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods of time. Number 3. VTT Gloss Black Wheel Paint. This high-heat wheel paint is polyurethane-based and specifically designed for steel and aluminum wheels. It offers superior heat and chemical resistance and withstands temperatures up to 900 degrees when properly cured. It performs best when used with a primer and clear coat. This paint lies smooth and thick. The directions are clear, and it's easy to apply. The paint dries fast and creates an even coat as long as the primer is applied. After it dries, it looks professional and creates a shiny new look. The product also appears to have more pigment than regular spray and aerosol paint. A little goes a long way, and one can be enough to do more than one wheel, depending on the size. One problem is the paint may easily chip or flake off even after sandblasting and priming the wheel. The color can also appear dull and chalky, meaning that it doesn't produce a consistent glossy finish. The product may also drip, but this is usually due to user error. Number 4. RustOleum High Performance Wheel Spray Paint. This paint is intended for wheels made of aluminum or steel. It can also be used on plastic hubcaps. It restores the wheel's original look, prevents corrosion and rust, and produces a smooth, weather-resistant finish. The paint goes on smoothly and provides excellent coverage. It is easy to work with and levels out nicely, even with overspray. Wet coats over damp layers will dry hard if you allow an extra day or 2 for complete curing. In general, it dries exceptionally fast for handling. The steel paint combined with a clear coat produces a deep liquid shine. The rims may need to be touched up after driving in certain conditions because the paint may chip and flake off over time. Number 5. Krylon Automotive Wheel Paint. Get great coverage without spending a lot of time on your wheels with the fast-drying Krylon Automotive Wheel Paint. It's safe for steel and aluminum wheels and can also be used on plastic hubcaps or center caps. The coat dries to the touch in 30 minutes and fully cures within an hour, so it can be recoated after that period. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.